So hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Glenn, and in this video we're looking at the world coin lot. So I do have lots of interesting coins actually make videos on. So I've got this Iraqi coin set. I'm not too sure if I made an Iraqi video. Got some fake ancient coins, so this is another video to look out for. And got some Indian coins, but today we're going through this coin lot. So this is... So let's actually go through these coins. But the first coin I actually got is a 2022 Australian 5-cent coin. So there's quite a few million of these minted. So these are going to be quite common. But you know, for a first coin I got of 2022, I generally keep it. So, okay, let's get into this coin noodle. And the first coin we're looking at is the Chinese 1 yuan. So these don't have mintages. Stainless steel coin, and these were replaced in 2018 with, or 2019, whatever, with a smaller coin. And it has a face value of about 20 cents or 1 yuan. Okay, then we have a 1 baht from Thailand. These were replaced in 2009 with an updated effigy of Rama the 9th. This is an exchange rate of about 5 cents, 4 to 5 cents on a good day. Pretty common coin. Then we have a large, this should be a $5 from Taiwan. So that's Chiang Kai-shek, president up until 1975. Yep, $5. Exchange rate's about 25 cents. There's some nice patterns around it. So your current $5 coin, do I have one here? No, it doesn't look like it. It's just a smaller version of this. The design is pretty much the same, except it has 5 on it as well. And this one is dated 63, so that's 1974. These are worth probably about $4 to $5 each. Quite a nice coin. And at the time, it's the largest coin in circulation. And then here we have the largest coin currently, which is a $50. Equivalent to $2.50, so this is 2006. There's Sun Yat-sen, and this says 95, so that's 2006, which has got it down the bottom. And so those are the biggest coins issued in Taiwan at that time period. Quite nice. Then we have your UAE, so it's a nickel-plated steel. So you get to know the difference between copper, nickel, nickel-plated steel. So here's a copper nickel plated copper coin in Thailand. So this UAE is the highest coin, dirham, and just has a 2014. So it's worth about 40 cents. This Thai coin is about 25 cents, and you can see it has a temple and Rama the 9th. So that's quite a nice coin. And the next coin we have is Malaysian 50 cent, replaced in 2012 with the current coins. So you can't really spend these anymore. I'm not so sure if they're legal tender. This one looks like it has doubling on the 9. Yeah. But because these coins are poorly minted in the first place, the error coin is actually quite common, but I'll keep it. So if that's doubling, so I need to check how scarce that coin is. Next one we have is from Turkey. So this says Kemal Atatürk walking. And say 2.5 lira from 1978. This is a stainless steel coin. These are about $4 to $5 each. Okay, the next big coin we have is 50 pesos from Mexico. And they adopted Aztec features, Aztec imagery. I'm not too sure which god that is. So this is pretty much uncirculated. Probably worth about between $5 and $10 for this coin. As you can see, it has the eagle attacking cobra on top of a cactus. So that's the emblem of Mexico. And it says United States of Mexico. That's quite a nice coin. Not too sure if I've got that one. The next one we have is a 10 kroner from Denmark. So this is a current circulating coin. Exchange rate's about $2 for this coin. This one has the knurling on it, and it has the 3 lines that represent Denmark, some Viking imagery, stylization. And here we have Margrethe II of Denmark, Dronning, so King, 1989. This shouldn't be too hard to get, but generally these coins have a mintage of only a few million. Then we have a United States 5-cent coin, pretty high grade. It has no mint mark on it. So that would be Philadelphia. And 1977, it's probably $1 or $2 for that coin. Pretty common. Usually about a few 100 million of these are minted. Then another UAE coin. So that's 2012 again. UK 2 pence from 1988. High grades, this is only face value pretty much. Then we have a 5 piastres from Jordan. That's 2012. So this is a current circulating coin. Exchange rate's about 10 cents. So about half a dinar equals $1 Australian. Milled in this one has Abdul, I think his name's Abdul. And it looks like, turn it around facing the light, that's a doubling, has doubling on the actual coin. So, oops, dropped that one. So this is, I think it's a nickel plated steel coin, or copper nickel. You can see scratches from circulation. Yeah, it looks like it does. Yeah, there you go. It does have doubling on it, even the lettering. So that's a nice error coin to actually find. Then we have another coin. So this is the updated effigy, so last effigy of Rama II for Thailand, 1 baht coin. Yeah, not really worth that much. Current Japanese coin. So this is Heisei 16. And a 5 yen, current circulating coin. Another current circulating coin, but this is from Costa Rica. They removed the braille from their coins. Bank Central Costa Rica, 25 coronas, equivalent to about 5 cents. Here we have the coat of arms of Costa Rica. So Costa Rica coins are all pretty much the same, just the coat of arms on one side, denomination on the other. This is probably worth about $1 or $2. Next one we have is from Canada. So they have a unique effigy of Queen Elizabeth II. This is a nickel plated steel, 25 cents. 2015. Yeah, pretty common. Then the next coin, oh wait, we've got another Canadian coin. This is a $1 current circulating, the earlier effigy. Looney, 1996. $1.25 in Canadian, roughly $1.25 Australia. Another current circulating coin from New Zealand, 20 cents, my favourite New Zealand coin currently. The first issue, 2006. Another Chinese 1 yuan. Obviously, a lot of these are places where tourists actually go. And here we have the previous coinage of Indonesia. These still circulate, so it shouldn't be too hard to get. 2003, generally, and this is the only year issue for that, 500 rupiah. So there's probably at least 1 billion of these minted, because they're just quite common. And neighbouring country to Indonesia is PNG. So 20 toa for cassowary. Cassowary is also Rome, Northern Australia. So here's the emblem with a, what bird is that? That is bird of paradise, that's it. On top of a drum with a spear. Pretty common coin, nickel plated steel. And here I think this is a fake Chinese cash coin. Just doesn't look right to me. It is cast, but just something about it. So not worth that much money. And the last one we have is a dime from the United States, 97, and worth pretty much 10 cents. Is it a rotated coin? No. So you might think, oh yeah, that's rotated. It's upside down. No, that's the way United States coins are. So anyway, that's the world coin hunt. It's getting a bit noisy next door, so nothing really in that except for the Mexican 50 pesos. So anyway, hope this helps you with your coin collecting. Have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.